Okay, so as what you already read from the title, I'm moving from Turkey to China. And if you don't know me or you don't follow me on any other social media platforms, let me just tell you a little quick story about all of this. So, I'm originally from Jordan, but I moved to China when I was 15 years old with my family. And then I lived in China for about like 8 years. And then I moved to Turkey from China and I stuck in Turkey during COVID. And after all of this like crazy years, I have just like built so many beautiful memories here. And my business grows so much. I'm not saying that it's because of Turkey, it's grown so much. Because actually, I did not get a lot of support from Turkish people, but my business actually grow in Turkey because I moved from China in 2019, and in August 2019, I have actually opened my Etsy shop. So you can just like say that I opened in China and I have grow it here in Turkey. So that's why I'm saying my business grow a lot of here, and I'm saying that I have built a lot of crazy memories. In the first 2 years, my life here was a little bit crazy. I did not really like the country too much, and I didn't really want to spend a lot of time outside. So it was kind of hard for me to move from country to other. And sorry, I'm losing my word, but because I don't want to cry, although I have a lot of emotions right now, I'm holding them. So, yes, so after 2 years, I have started to love the country. I met my best friend, which is actually happened to be my cousin, but we become a very close friends here in Turkey. And actually, I've also built a lot of great memories with my sisters and my family here. So that makes this move a little bit too hard for me to say goodbye. Although I did not really expect that at all, and I thought it will be very easy for me to switch from Turkey to China because I know my future in China way better, and especially for my business. And it's the country that I grew up in, and I called it home. So for that, I am having a lot of emotions right now, and it's really crazy to put them all together and just like put them on a little room until everything is settled down. So today's video gonna be about packing everything and put together all my things that actually I need to take with me, such as my sketchbooks, my art supplies. As you can see, there is a lot, and also my products, my clothes, and everything. I have started to pack some of them already, but I need to pack the rest of them with you. Um, yes. So I don't know what else I want to say. I feel that I don't really have a lot of words to express my feelings right now, and I'm feeling that I really need to stop worrying so I don't get too emotional. And also, I truly need to pack because I don't really have a lot of time left. I'm moving in 3 days now or 4 days. I forgot. I truly forgot what date we are in right now. My mind is completely a mess those days, and I have a huge migraines, and which has never happened to me before, which is crazy. I never had migraines before. It's my first time experiencing this, and it's truly the worst. I'm really sorry for everyone going through this. Like, since they were a very little kid, I know this happened to people from their childhood, and this is crazy, actually. So, yes, so this is maybe the last time you're gonna see me sharing a video with this background. This is the last time I'm gonna be. Excuse me, I'm being extra emotional, but my feelings are all over the place, so let's start packing because I don't want you to see my tears anymore. Here were all my sketchbooks and stuff like that, so I took them all off and now it's empty. It's only my sister. So yeah, here all what we have. So I have bagged all my sketchbook and everything is ready. Now it's time to just like pack all of these art supplies, and I'm extremely nervous because they seems too many and I'm afraid of the weight. So I don't know, what do you think this all will be? Like probably I will not be taking all of these acrylic paints because they are not really necessary and I just like can't buy them again from wherever. But some of these items are really so meaningful for me and really like essentials and important, so I don't really want to lose them. But here the last two shelves are not extremely important, so we will see. And as you can see here, also I have took off all the scrunchies and everything that were here. Last thing last, we have here some product left, which is I'm super thankful to all of you for actually buying as much as you can from my shop to help me reduce the weight and not having a lot of products to take with me. So thank you so much. And last thing last, we have here is my achievement shelf, which is that what I call it. And also, as you can see here, I think the keyboard and the books are the most heavy items, but the other things are actually taking a lot of space, not a lot of weight. So we will see. But this what we have. And lastly here, my watercolors and my brushes. Absolutely, I will be taking these houses because I love them so much. And my FBA sign. How can I not take it actually? So I will have this, these, art supplies, and some products. Also, I'm having here some products to take with me. These are the only left products that I have, which is I'm extremely excited to have a new lunch for you guys once I landed, but this is all what I have right now. My beautiful sister prepared for me some berries. I don't like figs, it's for her. And all these strawberries and berries are mine. I ate already a lot of them, but yeah, I forgot to show you. Okay, so I'm giving this over to Hala. She will take care of this. She will take all of these art supplies out of the shelves and then we will put them together on the luggage. So wish us luck because I don't really know how many kilos there's gonna be. So yeah, she will start right now. You go.
I will go.
16. So we have around 8. This beautiful flowers that I have actually made out of my Marc Jacob perfumes. I just put it like this, and now I feel like, oh, I'm really sad that I will not be able to take it. But yeah, this is also one of my favorite things, that I will not be able to take it, unfortunately. Out of nowhere, I decided to make this luggage. Actually, it's been always on my mind that I wanted to paint over this like luggage, but I never had the right time. And it's actually what we're in the right time, if I want to be specific, while I'm doing this, because I was completely out of my mood, and I was like literally like crying and being over dramatic about everything. So doing this was actually not something on my plan of the day, because I made it, you can say, almost on the morning, and it was like 3 a.m. in the morning, and I was supposed to just like shower and go to bed. But I don't know, I just like decided to have something related to art and make something really fun to cheer myself up. And I just like found this luggage on my face, so I just grab it and start paint over it. And to be honest, I truly love how it's turned out, and my mood boosts successfully. Today is day 2, and here is a little update about like everything I've done so far. So as you can see here, the walls are empty. They are a little dirty, but that's fine. They're gonna paint it like the landlord. And all of these art supplies that you are seeing right here are actually all gonna be given to someone else, like from my family or relatives or friends. I don't know yet, but yeah, I will not be able to take them, unfortunately. These are my favorite art supplies, and I still have here some shelves. These are, I hand painted them, especially this rainbow one is actually my favorite. These are only like a few other items that I will also not be able to take them. And also I'm having here some spray paint, which is, I wish I could take them, but I don't really think so. And I think that's all. I don't have anything left here. Sorry, this is so dirty, but that because I've done this in my room, which I was extremely dumb for this. I will show you this in a better look. But I've done this in my room and in front of everything, so I've made a huge mess last night. So ignore all the dirty things you're seeing. I promise you I'm a very clean person, but this is all actually really looking bad now. So yeah. And I have also here some originals, which is, as you can see, they're in a very bad position right now. I don't really like to see my artwork. Oh, oops. So yes, these need to be packed as well, and here we go. I never thought that I will be missing this all. And excuse my voice. But I'm truly gonna miss everything. I will be missing every corner. Although this is not my dream place, and this is not really what I want. But spending so many years in a single place and do so many achievements is also not an easy goodbye to say. So that's all for now. And this night feels so heavy because it's the night before leaving. So that's all what I want to say. Good night. The last look at this entrance. Feels crazy. Gonna miss all of this. Unfortunately, you can't see nothing, but yeah.